Here I have a question. Determine the roots of the quadratic equation. 11x squared minus 10 root 3x minus 3 equal to 0. This question has been taken from Pearson IIT Foundation Series for Mathematics. Before beginning with the solution, I will discuss about quadratic equation in brief. Quadratic equations are standard topic in algebra. ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Students are probably taught to solve them using Brahmagupta's quadratic formula, which has been known for nearly 1400 years. X is equal to minus of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to present two solutions. First, we will solve this by the method of factoring. We want to find two numbers p and q such that their product is 11 times minus 3 equal to minus 33 and their sum is equal to minus 10 root 3. We can do this by considering the factors of 33. We readily get two numbers of minus 11 root 3 and root 3. Next, we will substitute the values of p and q in the original equation. Then we will take x minus root 3 as common from the first and last two terms. This finally gives x minus root 3 times 11x plus root 3 equal to 0. This gives the roots as square root of 3 and minus of square root of 3 by 11. For the second solution, I'm going to use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here, a is equal to 11, b is equal to minus 10 root 3 and c is equal to minus 3. Next, we would substitute for a, b and c in the quadratic formula. On simplifying, we get the roots as square root of 3 and minus of square root of 3 by 11. Now here are some questions that you can try for your self-practice. Thanks for watching.